Hello, I'm Dr. Mohammed Rezai from St George's University of London. In a few short weeks, a localized outbreak of a respiratory illness in a Chinese city became a pandemic that has affected almost every country, society, and aspect of modern life. We are heading towards an uncertain and challenging future which requires preparedness, knowledge, as well as commitment to sharing and learning from experts and each other. With a huge amount of information coming in every day with news and advice about COVID-19, it can be difficult to make sense of the information relevant for frontline clinical practice. For this course, we will take participants through the most useful and up-to-date research and guidance. By the end of the program, we are hopeful that participants will have received a concise, practical, and where possible, evidence-based approach to dealing with COVID-19 in primary care.